60 million gummy bears every single day. Behind the vibrant colors and childhood joy of your favorite Halloween treat lies a massive industrial masterpiece spanning over 500,000 square feet. But creating that perfect, springy chew requires more than just sugar. It demands a high-stakes transformation of raw collagen filtered through microscopic ceramic membranes and molded in a lightning-fast process of 2.5 million pieces per hour. From boiling kettles at 356 degrees Fahrenheit to the secret of food-grade carnauba wax, we're going behind the scenes to uncover the complex science of the world's most addictive candy. When it comes to the iconic sweets of the Halloween season, few treats are as universally recognized as gummy candy. They capture the eye with an endless variety of shapes, sizes, and vivid colors. For many, gummies are more than just a snack. They represent a slice of childhood innocence, evoking memories of trick-or-treat bags overflowing with colorful surprises. For generations, these chewy delights produced in the US have won over the hearts of children and parents alike, who find the charm of squishy bears simply irresistible. Now, let's head behind the scenes to uncover the secret world of their production.
Amazing fruit, yeah, it's amazing fruit.
Tropical flavors, too.
Gummy candy stands out as one of the most beloved types of chewy sweets, famous for its perfect balance of tangy sweet flavors and eye-catching aesthetics. When people think of premium gummies, Haribo is often the first name that comes to mind. It was this German confectioner that sparked a global phenomenon in the early 1980s with the invention of gummy worms, a sugary craze that remains as strong as ever today. Currently, Haribo's massive facility in Wisconsin operates on a staggering scale, capable of producing tens of millions of gummy bears every single day. This plant serves as a cornerstone in the brand's mission to dominate the US market. Across the globe, the brand continues to expand its loyal fan base with a vast portfolio of products. But before the cooking begins, one critical component must be prepared well in advance. Gelatin is the essential magic ingredient that provides the chewy, springy, and elastic texture that everyone loves. While it appears as a simple, translucent powder, it is actually the result of a sophisticated industrial process that extracts protein from animal hides and bones. For Haribo, this crucial supply comes from specialized partners who provide the foundational material for millions of candies produced daily. Each week, the processing plant receives massive shipments of raw materials to fuel production. Upon arrival, every batch undergoes a rigorous quality inspection. The hides are meticulously sorted and washed, while hard bones are fed into high-powered grinders. This crushing step is vital for maximizing the efficiency of collagen extraction. Once cleaned, the materials are treated in alkaline solutions for several days to soften the protein structure. This is followed by an acid bath to prepare the collagen for the main extraction phase. Finally, the material is heated in high-temperature water, dissolving the protein fibers and breaking the molecular bonds to form gelatin. The resulting protein-rich solution is the base for the final product. At this stage, however, the liquid is still cloudy with impurities. To achieve the crystal-clear transparency required for candy, the gelatin passes through an advanced filtration system utilizing ultrafine ceramic membranes. Under extreme pressure, the solution is forced through microscopic pores, stripping away even the tiniest unwanted particles to leave a pure, flawless collagen liquid. After filtration, the solution still contains trace amounts of salts and excess water. It is channeled through tanks filled with synthetic resin beads that act as a chemical magnet for salts, while high temperatures cause water to evaporate. This concentrates the collagen until it reaches an optimal, honey-like consistency. The gelatin is then slowly cooled into a semi-solid state with its signature elasticity. It is pressed through plates to form long, noodle-like strands, which are dried with sterile hot air to preserve quality while removing all moisture. Once bone dry, the gelatin is ground into a fine powder, bagged, and shipped to candy factories worldwide. With the gelatin ready, the gummy-making process at Haribo officially enters its primary stage. Each batch follows a highly precise automated formula. Essential ingredients like sugar, corn syrup, gelatin, starch, and water are meticulously weighed alongside citric and malic acids for that signature tang. The entire measurement process is handled by a computer-controlled system, ensuring every pound is added with perfect accuracy without human intervention. Once the main ingredients are combined, the mixture is cooked in massive industrial kettles using high-pressure steam. This boiling process ensures all components are fully dissolved into a uniform syrup. In just a few minutes, the mixture transforms into a smooth, glossy liquid before being piped into a vacuum cooker for cooling. Technicians use precision refractometers to verify the sugar concentration, ensuring every batch meets the brand's exact sweetness standards. Once the desired temperature and consistency are achieved, the syrup is moved to the coloring and flavoring deck. This is where the uniform mixture is brought to life, with vibrant hues and mouth-watering scents. From classic raspberry and apple to modern favorites like sour cherry or grape, many of these flavors are extracted directly from real fruit to satisfy a wide range of consumer tastes. While the kettles keep the mixture moving, the molding area prepares for the final shape. Interestingly, the liquid candy never actually touches a metal mold. Instead, it is poured into impressions pressed into a layer of fine white powder, cornstarch mixed with a touch of mineral oil. This starch acts as the perfect molding medium, allowing for intricate shapes and easy removal once the candy sets. This occurs inside a high-speed machine called a mogul, which fills trays with starch, levels the surface, and uses metal stamps to create hundreds of shapes in an instant. A row of precision nozzles then fills these cavities with flavored liquid at an incredible speed, capable of producing millions of pieces in a single shift. Once filled, the trays are stacked and moved to a curing room for a 24-hour resting phase at a steady temperature. During this time, the cornstarch absorbs excess moisture, allowing the gummies to firm up into their famous chewy texture. After curing, the trays are flipped upside down over a vibrating screen. Gravity pulls the starch through the mesh to be recycled, while the gummies move forward to be cleaned. To ensure a clear, non-sticky surface, the candies are placed into giant rotating barrels. Inside, they are tumbled with a thin coating of vegetable oil blended with beeswax or food-grade carnauba wax. This delicate layer provides a brilliant shine and prevents the pieces from clumping together in the bag. Interestingly, this refined wax is the same secret behind the glossy finish of high-end nail polishes, but here it is purified to be completely safe to eat. Before the final step, random samples are pulled for rigorous testing of color, shape, flavor, and elasticity to ensure every gummy lives up to the Haribo standard. From the polishing barrels, the gummies move onto a final conveyor towards the packaging zone. An automatic weighing station uses vibrating funnels to guide the candies into precise portions. Once the target weight is reached, the Keo drops into a plastic bag, and the machine instantly heat seals the top. Every finished package passes through a metal detector for absolute consumer safety before being packed into shipping cartons. These cartons are shrink-wrapped, palletized, and loaded onto trucks destined for distribution centers. Finally, they find their way onto the shelves of your favorite local stores, ready to be enjoyed. Thanks for watching this deep dive into food technology. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe to Simple Discovery for more fascinating behind-the-scenes stories. See you in the next episode. Stay curious.